Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're looking at how you're going to add a new operator to the Gardis controller. Now, we're using the Gardis web browser to do this. So an example would be, a simple standalone system, no specific software, you just use the web browser on board. So a standard, as with most systems, you get an admin login, and the admin login allows you to do all the jobs required to administrate the system. But what we're going to do is create a new user. So we'll click on managers, then at the top there, create. We go give them our login name. Let's call it Matthew. And the username, let's call that Matthew 2. Create a password. And confirm the password. Then let's click on save. Save that. Go back in there. Now you'll notice I always press save. For some reason I have this idea that you must press save when using web browsers. I'm sure it does work without pressing save at every opportunity, but I recommend you do so you know where you're up to. So I've let's just go back there. So what I've done there is created the user Matthew, and let's look at the access right. What rights Matthew has. So this is going to be for maybe the administrator of the system, not the system engineer, as you would find on some other systems. It's just going to be the person who's adding and deleting cards and users from the system. So they don't need to be able to do all the operations. They don't need to look at site configuration, the schedules, holidays and things like that. All they want to do is add users and see events. So from the tick boxes here, we're going to enable them to be able to add users and create event and view events. Then if we click on save, click OK, and now if we were to log out and log back in, which we'll do in a second, log in as Matthew with the password, you're going to see a different menu here at the top. So you can see I'm logged in as the admin. I've got site configuration, schedules, users, events, managers, and so on. But now let's log out, back in. This time log in as Matthew. And now I've logged in as Matthew. You can see the menu at the top here is a lot smaller than before, and really all I can do is add users and view events. And there we go. That's how you create a new operator for the TDSI Gardis web browser software.